In our quest to stop counting on our fingers to add small numbers, we're going to try to master the yellow belt. Now we already know how to add 1, 2, 3, and 4 to each other. So now we're going to learn how to deal with 5. Here are all the 1, 2, 3, 4 sums that we memorized in getting our white belt. Now we're going to add a row of 5s that add 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a column of 1s that add 5. And finally, 5 plus 5. Let's start with that. Now 5 is a very special number because 5 is the number of fingers on the human hand. And we know that both hands together have 10 fingers. We're going to use that to remember 5 plus 5. Now 5 is very easy to understand because it's a number of fingers on the human hand. And if you put your two hands together, then you'll see that 5 and 5 is 10. Okay, so let's put that 10 in our list. Now, remember our trick. If you're adding two numbers and you add them in the reverse order, you get the same thing. So we don't have to memorize 5 plus 4 and 4 plus 5 separately. And the same thing is true of the rest of the sums in that column. Now, as to 5 plus 1, we're just adding 1 to 5, so it's the next number, 6. And so is 1 plus 5. So all we really have to memorize is 5 plus 2, 5 plus 3, and 5 plus 4. To do that, we're going to talk about our friends Kevin and Kate and their first date. Kevin and Kate went on a 5 o'clock date. 5 and 2 is 7, and 5 and 3 is 8. They spent 4 hours on a conga line and got home late because 5 and 4 is 9. Now you could probably remember this using flashcards, but this might be a little more fun. Let's put 7, 8, and 9 into our list in the right places, and guess what? We've done it all. We now have enough information to study for our yellow belt. And after that, we can work on the green belt. In fact, let's get started on that now.